You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by J at Play for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today we're going to check out something called Boxy Girls. Unbox, online, shopping fun.
Yes, but we do need to say thanks to J at Play for sending us this box full of toys.
Yes, and these are exclusive at Walmart. Now, what's inside?
Unbox makeup, shoes, bags, clothes, and more.
Yes, very interesting. All right, handle with care. Two nice hands cradling the question mark box because you don't know what's inside.
This
way up. Now, they did put the shipping label on this side. We couldn't get it off the box, but we will run with it. So, www.boxygirls.com. Fragile, handle with care.
Fragile.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, and a one. Wait, hold on. Let me get the camera a little bit higher there.
Okay.
And a two. And a three. There we go. So, hello, gorgeous. Well, thank you. I'm glad they think that of me. Good things come in brown boxes. We hope you'll enjoy your Boxy Girls experience. Have a blast unboxing tons of fashion surprises. XO.
Boxy Girls.
Yeah, and then let's see. Does this come down a little bit? It's kind of neatly packaged. All right, here, I'll just hand you things. Set them in the center there. There's one big package.
It's like Christmas all over again.
Yeah, two big packages. A third big package. And then a very nicely designed interior box. It's a very nice box. All right, that's everything we've got for Boxy Girls. All right, since you're the girl,
Okay, yes.
I will let you unwrap. Let's start with the smallest of the three.
Okay.
Go ahead. You will unwrap, and then we will learn as we go. Okay, so that is a cool looking little shipping box, isn't it? Now, at Lucky Penny Shop, we get a lot of shipping boxes, don't we?
Yes.
And who likes to unbox them?
Everyone.
Yeah.
Me, you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of anything that comes in brand new. So this kind of mimics the big box. See that? Keep dry. Unbox 9 surprises, 6 boxes inside.
Wow.
Okay, so that's one. All right, open up the next item. Ooh, okay, so that gives you an indication the size of the boxes. See them in there?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Unbox 20 fashion surprises, includes 6 packages. They are. All right, from Boxy Girls, shipped to, so it's even got a fake shipping label on it.
Okay.
And here's all the little accessories we're going to be able to unbox. Now, I kind of have an idea what this needs to be for this to all work out. So why don't you open that? It is the doll.
There we go.
So we have Riley. Let's move this down a little bit. So now you can see Riley. And then, let's see, unbox 12 fashion surprises. Welcome to Riley's fashion channel. Okay. Oh, so she's got her own channel.
Okay.
Unbox makeup, shoes, and more. Riley hearts everything. Music in New York City. You'll always find her shopping Fifth Avenue's busy streets, rocking to her favorite tunes. All right, well, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do a little adjustment here. Come back, we'll unbox her, and then we'll check out and open up some more boxes.
All right.
All right, Alyse, here we go. Now, these boxes are pretty neat. They have a tear tab along the top, but I chose not to use them because, you know, I like to preserve the packaging.
Yes.
But I accidentally did it anyway. Okay, so there she is.
She's strapped in.
You can take out some of the boxes. Let me get my scissors ready. Yeah, get those out. And then I will see. Okay, so this is clipped in here, and then there's 3 on the back. So I should be able to do this. Okay,
4 boxes.
we have 4 boxes. All right. Okay, here we go. I think I can do this and then still save the one around her feet so she can be put back in the little box. Ooh, sorry.
I like your headphones.
Yeah, they're like little ears. Okay, so you play with her, move her around, see where she moves and what doesn't move and what does move.
Okay, her knees can bend.
She's got bendy knees.
Yes, bendy knees.
Bendy knees.
Her wrists can bend.
Okay, she's got bendy wrists.
Refs.
What else?
Okay, let's see.
She bends at the elbow, yeah,
Yes.
turns, arms turn. Does her head turn?
Not her elbow.
Okay, bends at the
but
shoulder.
Shoulder, yeah.
Okay.
And
So she could sit.
stomach and stuff. Yes.
The waist?
Sit. Waist.
Do her headphones come off?
I think so, yeah.
It looks like there is a little twisty tie that...
Yeah, okay.
All
They're
right,
stuck on
and
there.
then head turns?
Head turns,
Okay. All right, now you ready to do some boxes? Let's see what accessories we have for our Boxy Girl. That's kind of the commercial I'm thinking in my head, but I know that's not what they use, so...
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Box number 1.
Yeah. Tried to make her sit. There you go.
That's yours.
All right.
Box number 2.
Oh. Okay.
Beep, 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 beep. Shipping department. We got some boxes for you.
Enjoy these new fashion finds. And a sticker.
So it's wrapped in nice tissue.
Ooh. This looks like earrings and a necklace.
And a necklace. All right.
Yeah.
Let's just see.
Sitting
Okay,
on
while you
that
do that, I'm
box.
going to... Okay, so look. Headphones come off.
Okay.
So they don't need to be permanently put on.
Guess I didn't try hard enough.
No,
It's
that's okay. And then you can put these earrings in and clip them in.
The
see?
other box didn't have this stuff in it.
Okay,
It
so
was
that one
wrapped in
has
there.
tissue. All right, I got one earring in, so you're going to have to take
Got
care of
new
that.
shoes.
And then this looks like it's going to fit right around her neck. Okay, there you go.
Yep.
Boxy.
Shoes.
Oh, she sits fine.
Yeah.
So you got new shoes. All right, take her shoes off. I want to see you
Okay.
try that. Okay, careful, careful. There you go. Okay, so no
Just gotta-
bending at the ankles.
Just got to do this. I
All right,
think.
that's good.
Oh, okay.
And then put the other earring in for her.
The
so
other
we,
earring?
yeah.
All right.
I want to see you do it so we get that idea how easy or hard it is for you to do. This would be cool headphones with your unicorn horn,
Yeah.
right? I wonder if they
There we
make
go.
those. Okay, keep opening. Go ahead. Let me see what this is. Oh, so it's just a little cardboard card.
This looks like
This is a...
a hair extension.
Oh, yeah, and this little sticker that comes with each
Yeah,
one.
it's really. All right, there we go.
It looks like it's meant to open on the clip side. Okay. Yep, so that will open and clip into her hair. So now you're building up some accessories.
All right. Thank you for handing me the box. Another sticker. This. Some more shoes.
Nice.
High heels. All right, there we go.
All right, so I'm going to do the next one here. No one can see the shoes unless you sort the shoes out a little bit better so we can see them. There you go. There we go. There we go. That's better. Thank you very much. Now this box has 6 boxes inside, so it's a box in a box, which we got in a box.
Yes.
Now these are different than the boxes you already got.
Okay.
So now inside here it says Boxy Girls Minis coming soon. Now there's probably 2 brown boxes in each of these. My guess.
Okay.
No. Coming soon. Guess what that means?
There's nothing in there.
And nothing in them.
Okay.
All right. So it looks like Unbox, 9 box
making
surprise.
sure.
Yeah,
Just
just
making
make sure.
Okay. I think
So
we're
it's a
good.
surprise. So this would be the 9-pack, I guess, or the 6-pack. Okay, you want to box some more?
Sure.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Boy, they tricked us on that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the big one.
Okay. Sure you want to take any few small ones?
Well, I'll cut them. So here,
Okay. Yeah.
put them all on my side, and then I'll cut them and slide them over to you. Okay, so this is a bigger box. Does this mean it's a bigger accessory, or does it hold more accessories?
Yeah. Ooh. Alright. It's the box. It has a really pretty pattern inside.
It does. These are nice little boxes.
Thank you for your purchase.
Ooh, yes, a
Sunglasses
bigger item.
are like glasses. Oh, they're like pineapples.
Yeah.
And the sticker. Shop, unbox, repeat. Okay. This one here. Ooh, we got a skirt.
Oh, so there's clothes too, huh?
So I think each of them have different patterns.
Okay.
Maybe, I
Inside the
think.
boxes.
Yeah. That's just what I'm guessing now, so. This one has a different pattern too, so.
Okay, so we know now this is coming soon, but that's how they're going to be boxed.
We have another skirt.
Hey, I think I want to open up one.
Okay, go ahead. Not stopping you.
Oh, I got new shoes. What are these? Like a high heel?
Yeah, like a sandal, high heel kind of thing.
Smile sticker.
Ooh. These are like up to
those,
the ankle.
Yeah, those go up on your leg, huh?
Oh yeah, not ankle. Right.
One more. Wow.
Yes.
Let me get our glasses on here so we can kind of see how these fit. Nice.
Love list.
Everything clicks on really nice and stays on. Look at that. Let's see if you can put her.
Ooh. Got new earrings, a little bracelet.
She looks pretty
some
cool.
nail polish.
How tall do you think she is? I'm going to say... Here, let me grab something here.
Put...
So everybody knows. From her toes to her head, excuse your hands,
Sorry.
about 8 inches.
Okay. There we go. Okay. And also have some new earrings.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So there is our Boxy Girls. What do you think overall? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Ooh, I just knocked them off. I knocked her. She's missing a shoe. A boot.
Here, put these on her.
Which ones?
These ones.
Oh, you're gonna
put them on.
Yeah, you're gonna make me do that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually pretty easy.
Yeah, it is.
I probably
It's
put them
almost
on the
like
wrong
a
foot.
bigger Barbie doll.
Barbie's taller,
Well, yeah.
but definitely her head is bigger. Yeah. And there you go. All right. What do you think overall? Pretty fun.
Yeah.
Neat little shipping boxes, a variety of sizes. You got this size, you got the bigger one. Remember the bigger one? And then, yeah, there's different patterns. This one says luxury on the inside.
It says posh.
There's probably some repeats. This one says luxury.
Cute.
Okay, so
flamingos.
inner packaging is really nice. Everything looks pretty cool. And thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate you stopping by. We'll put more information. Remember, it is a Walmart exclusive in May. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a Lucky Penny,
Pick it up.